Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Jochen Ondra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lathes. Today I'm going to introduce our LU3000. The LU series is our high rigid 4-axis lathe, which is very thermostable as it is built according to the Okuma thermo-friendly concept, which enables us to keep micron tolerances within changing ambient temperatures. The spindles of all our machines are built for maximum lifetime. This is why we have a 3 years warranty of all our spindles without any shift limitations. Our LU series has an upper and a lower turret, which can carry our turning and or milling tools. On the opposing side, we have a tailstock on the machine to support the workpiece. Here we even can have a sub-spindle as an option. Okuma is looking back to a long tradition of 4-axis machining. Already in the year 1974, we could enable 4-axis cutting with our OSP controller. To create a 4-axis program, we have our IGF, which is our dialog programming on board of the OSP controller as a standard. This is an easy and fast way to generate 4-axis programs. By this, it is even economic to create 4-axis programs for small batch sizes. 4-axis cutting means that the upper and the lower turret can work individual on the part, but they also can work synchronized. Here in Okuma, we have a special feature called balance cutting. With balance cutting, we have the tooltip of the upper and the lower turret at exactly the same height of the part, 180 degrees to each other, and they will share the cut and they will share the chip thickness. That means we can run double program feed rate compared to a single tools. By this we can cut parts with a very high length to diameter ratio because the tools support each other and there's no bending or chattering on the part. Therefore we need no steady rest. Another option to suppress chatters is our machining Navi LG. Here we use oscillating spindle speed during cutting to prevent the part from chattering. When the part is too long, of course we can offer also a steady rest on the lower turret and we can cut the part with the upper turret. Our LU is used as a standalone machine or even in connected cells by gantry loaders, robot cells in mass production environments, but also as a standalone machine with small batch sizes. It is very economic to use 4-axis cutting when we have high material removal rates. Please also check the other videos on our channels. If you need further information, you can contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.